Okay, so apparently you guys really enjoyed that last video that I had to sell this product right now. And since you guys enjoyed the video so much and it really took off, that video was the best video I had over the last 10 videos that I had on this channel, I've decided to go ahead and give you guys another video just like that with this winning product, and it is a hair curler. Okay, so first we're going to take you into the Google Trends, and as you guys can see right here, look, in December it peaked as its highest as it's ever been for the hair curler search interest on Google Trends, and now it's kind of dropped below. It's kind of, bottomed out there, but I have a feeling this is going to go back up. As you guys can see right here in January, it kind of goes down and then it's going to go back up. So that's what I think is going to happen. The product is right here. I'll go ahead and play the video for you guys so you guys can watch this. I don't want to waste any of your time. So basically the girl would put their hair into the hair curler and they basically clamp down, and then I think you hold it in there for a little bit and it curls the hair. So our 3 different colors of this product is black, red, and pink, and it ships from China. Standard plug, you can use the EU plug, UK or Australian. And the product itself is only $22. It has 4.6 stars, so very good stars. And as you guys have saw already, it is trending. So how I would sell this, or products you can sell with this, are going to be this hairbrush, which has over 7,000 orders. It's kind of a unique, sparkly looking hairbrush. The cool thing about this one is it does ship from the US. So if you can find a US supplier for the automatic hair curler, then you guys could combine this and make sure that, if odds are, if the supplier is selling this hair product, they might be selling other hairbrushes like this one. So you don't have to use this exact hairbrush, but it's what I would recommend as an upsell for this specific product. Another product you can upsell them with or combine, as I'm going to show you guys in the offers in a second here, would be this hair clip. And the reason I chose this hair clip is because when I searched on AliExpress, I just searched hair clip, and this was one of the first ones that pops up. It has a high demand, so that means there is a lot of people who want this product. There's a lot of women who are buying this already, as it has 18,000 orders, 6,000 reviews, and then there's a ton of different colors, which is really, really cool for you guys. So simple hair product combined with the hair curler is what's going to do really, really well. So now getting into how I would sell this product on Shopify. Option 1 would be to do a quantity break, which is buying one of these hair curlers for $49.95 or buying 2 curlers for $79.95. That gives you, $20 to $30 profit margin no matter which quantity they buy, whether it's 2 or 1. And the quantity break is the most standard traditional way for dropshippers and e-commerce owners to actually make more profit and increase their AOV, is just by basically saying, hey, if you buy 2, you get a bigger discount. And that the quantity breaks where it works really, really well for actually low ticket products. High ticket products, which I wouldn't consider this one to be, about a mid, tier product. But the high ticket products, it doesn't work as well for, because your margin's already going to be so large. But on those lower ticket items that are $10 to $20 that they cost you that much money, it's a lot easier to upsell them for another one for a cheaper price. So that's the way I'd set that up. Option 2 would be to do a bundle. So as I showed you the curler, you would sell the curler with this hair clip and then also sell this hairbrush together. $59.95, $54.95, something like that, where you can still make a little bit of extra money from the bundle. People are getting 3 products for a little bit higher price, and you're also making more profit from that, because that's, at the end of the day, we all want to make profit, in our businesses. And option 3, which is the one I recommend, is to do a free gift option. Now, I got a question today that was asking, hey, how can I set this up in my, in my Shopify store? And I'm going to show you guys, there's a link that I'll provide down below as well, exactly how you guys can set this up. It's a great article by Shopify. But the free gift, the way it works is you'll buy 1 curler for $49.95, and then you get a free hair clip or a hairbrush. So you can set this up, and here's the link of how to do that. You can add a free gift to cart without the app. Someone asked they wanted to, run a promotion, and then Dallas from Shopify staff basically walks you guys through exactly how to do this. So basically click on the link below. You guys can follow this article and you'll know exactly how to set this up on your stores. I've personally run this offer before where I have a free gift, and I've found it converts extremely well. The reason it converts extremely well is because most people, most drop shippers, as you've heard me preach on this channel, are extremely lazy. They don't want to set this up, nor do they even know how to set it up. So if you take the extra time to set this option 3 up with the free gift, I can almost guarantee, I mean, I can't guarantee you guys, but I promise you, you will be seeing some much different results than you have previously just following the norm of dropshippers. And that's what I'm trying to teach you on this channel. That's what I teach all my students, is you need to be different in dropshipping. You need to try things differently. You need to test products that people aren't necessarily testing. If you follow the norm and you try and do what everyone else is doing, you're going to probably get the same results that everyone else is doing, which, 90% of all dropshippers are going to fail at some point in their careers, right? Like, they're not going to be able to make money as fast as they want to. So try something different. Use this free gift option. Sell this curler with some upsells, with the free gift of the hairbrush or the clip, and you guys will be way ahead of those other drop shippers. For those of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is Connor Chapman, and I've done over $630,000 on Shopify in the last year. Now, it hasn't been an easy process, right? I quit my 9-to-5 job working at a Fortune 500 company, and I was doing something completely different, unrelated to drop shipping. I did get a college degree and go straight out of college into my corporate job, and I honestly hated it, you guys. I did not like what I was doing. It wasn't fun. It was soul-sucking. Everything I was doing there just felt like a waste of time, and the people I worked with were absolutely amazing. I have no complaints about that. It was just the work itself wasn't fulfilling to me, and it didn't feel like I was progressing myself, with personal growth at all. I didn't feel like I was growing as an individual, and I wanted to build something on my own, and that's why I chose dropship. Dropshipping is a way for you guys to get financial freedom. You can technically wake up later. You can do whatever you want. You can go play with your dog. You can go hang out with friends, and you can move around while you do it. You don't have to sit at home, okay? It's not a desk job, and it's not a job where you have to report to someone. It's a job that gives you freedom, and that's what I really, really enjoy about it. If there's days that I don't, want to go into the office or do something like that, well, as a dropshipper, you don't even have to have an office. You can work from your home, you can work from your laptop, and that's why I like the freedom and the autonomy that dropshipping gives my life, and that's why I chose it. It was an easy path getting to where I am. I definitely had success at a much earlier stage than most dropshippers. It'll take you a while to kind of get the whole business set up and get, acclimated to the cadence of testing products and failing and testing new products, trying new Facebook ad strategies. But if you guys follow my content really closely, I touch on essentially everything you'll need as a beginner dropshipper. Now, if you want to go to the intermediate and advanced stages, send me a DM and we can talk about that. But so for beginner and intermediate content, this channel should be perfect for you guys to learn. I take all video requests very seriously. If you have a video request, drop it down in the comments right now. I'll get to it. I respond to every single comment on my videos. So if there's something you want me to touch on, if there's something you want me to add, for example, like this, how do I set this up in Shopify? This is exactly what I did. All I did was Google this, and this is the first link that popped up. Google's your best friend, you guys. If you don't know something, Google it before you ask me, before you ask anyone. Odds are the answer's on Google or it's on YouTube. Someone's explained it. Someone's given you a tutorial about it. So that's how I learned primarily. You don't necessarily need any courses. You don't necessarily need any mentorship as a beginner. You can get a great baseline understanding for your knowledge, and just keep pushing through it. I know dropshipping is difficult. I know it's not always fun, but it is damn rewarding when you guys get your first winning product and you start hitting those sales. And yeah, it'll definitely bring a smile to your face for sure. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, keep your mind right. Peace. Winston. Hey, buddy.